Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a package in Vue.js which allows you to detect changes whenever your app goes offline or online. So on your screen right here you will see the status of my internet connection. It is currently online and it is actually showing it is online with this nice little icon. As soon as I change my network, if I let's suppose I turn off my internet connection. So as soon as I did this without page refresh, it will automatically detect and then it will go to offline. So you will see that. And again, if I turn back the internet connection, the Wi-Fi, if I turn on the Wi-Fi, you will see automatically it will change to online. I'm not refreshing the page. It automatically detected network change event and automatically adjust itself and shows the message. So it's a Vue.js package which allows you to do this. I will show you in this video. It's compatible with the latest version of Vue.js 3. So just go to npmjs.com and you just need to search for this package, which is in the search bar v-offline. So if you just search for this package v-offline, this is a network detector component and the command is simple. I've already installed it and it's almost having 1000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, you go to your app.vue file. This is your main file of your project and all the source code I have given in the description of this video. So now to get started, you will write your HTML code in your template and then the TypeScript code in the script section. So first of all, I will require this module. So for requiring it, first of all, in the script here, I will mention explicitly that we are using TypeScript, so language attribute TypeScript. And now using the import statement, we will require the necessary packages. So first of all, the built-in packages, define component, reference, on-mounted method, unmounted. So these are life cycle methods. So we just need to import this from the Vue base package and also this type reference from the, and then this third party package we need to import it, so which is called as v offline, and this will be coming from this package v offline. So in this way you import this and then we need to export default define. We need to use it and include and register it like this, and after registering it we will actually in the setup function in Vue.js 3 need to declare some variables. So first of all, we will be declaring a boolean type of a variable. So this will actually keep track of whether you are online or offline. And for this, we'll be using the navigator API, which will return the status of our internet connection, whether you are actually logged in or not. So it will return the status in this variable online. So we'll be using this variable in our template. So now we go to the template right here where we write our HTML code. So right in the template, you'll be using this component v offline, and it actually takes some parameters. First of all, it takes the online class, which will be online, and then the offline class. These are built-in classes for this component. And then there is this important event handler, detected condition. So this callback function, whenever your network change, this callback function will execute. And here we need to bind an on network change method. The name can be anything. I'm just binding this callback function. So when your network connection changes, then we will be executing this function on network change. So now we go to the right here in the setup function. We will define this after this function, which is called as on network change. So basically this function will return the status of your internet connection, whether it's logged in or not, and you'll be manipulating this online value to the status like this. So just see, this function is returning the status right here. It's a boolean parameter, either true or false, whether you are online or offline, and we are putting this value inside like this. Now we just need to export this method so that we can use it inside our template. So just after this, we simply say we need to return on network change. I think this needs to be there inside this, sorry. We need to return on network change and this online function. So we need to use both these things, this function and this variable. So we need to add this return statement so that we can use it inside our template. So now using this function, using this variable online, we will be inside our template. In this component, we will use a simple if condition. So we have in Vue.js if. So it's a directive. So depending upon whether it's true, now you are online. So you'll be showing a simple message, you are online. And if you are not online, then another template. So this will be, if the value of online is false, then here we'll say that you are offline. So if you refresh your browser, go to your application. So now you see you are online because my internet connection is on. So now if I turn it on without page refresh, what happens? I think it will change to, so you can see now it is not changing. We need to refresh the page. Now the status is you are offline, but we don't want to refresh the page. We need to, automatically the application should detect the network change without page refresh. So if you don't want the page refresh, then you need to use the lifecycle method, which is these two methods, on mounted and on unmounted. These are the lifecycle methods for Vue.js components. So right here we will use this on mounted event. So as soon as your network changes, this lifecycle method will bind event listener, which is an online event, and we'll bind this function here, update online status. And same, we'll be adding another event for offline event. So these events are built in browser. So I'm not using this third-party library for this. So these are part of the browser, these events, whenever your network goes online or offline. And using this, we can solve the problem of page refresh. So now we can define both these methods. We are calling the same function for updating the online status. So we'll define this function. So again, we are getting the Navigator API. We are using the Navigator API built in browser to return the online status like this. So now what happens if you refresh it, as soon as I change the network connection without page refresh. So now you can see without page refresh, it changed to offline. And once again, if I turn it back, it will detect and it will change to you are online. So now to add some styling, I have given all the source code in the description, so you can just style it. So once you style it, basically it will look something like this. So the rest of the functionality remains the same. So in this way, guys, you can build out this simple application, offline and online detector in Vue.js 3 with this nice little package. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.